In a quiet town in the United States, a young girl named Emma lived with her mother and grandfather. Emma's grandfather had once been a police officer who always believed in helping others. Inspired by his stories of courage, Emma dreamed of serving her community one day. Years later, Emma became a paramedic in the town's emergency rescue team. She worked day and night, helping injured people and saving lives during accidents and disasters. Everyone admired her calm nature and caring heart. One cold winter evening, a heavy snowstorm covered the town. Roads became dangerous and many cars were stuck in the snow. During the emergency, Emma received a call about a family trapped inside a vehicle near the highway. Without fear, she and her team rushed through the storm. Emma managed to rescue the family, including a little girl who was shivering badly. The child hugged Emma and whispered, "Thank you for saving us." At that moment, Emma understood that true courage means helping others even in the hardest times. Her bravery filled the town with hope and inspiration once again.